In this video, I will tell you two methods by which you can easily switch off and restart your iPhone. Number 1. Simply swipe down from the top right corner to open this control panel, and at the top you can see a small power icon. Just hold it for a second like this, then release it. You can easily switch off by sliding to the right hand side like this. Let's see another method. To switch off your device, simply hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Volume up button is right here, right in the middle, and the power button is on the right hand side. Just hold the volume up button and power button at the same time like this, and release it once you see this window. And to switch off, simply slide to the right hand side and your device will be switched off. However, to restart, just hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds like this. Hold the power button until you see Apple logo. Apple logo is right here, then release the power button and your device will be restarted. So that's how you can easily switch off and restart your iPhone. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.